guys, I was just watching some of JoJo's live videos, and I'm like, what? I don't get why she puts shoes over her head. Yeah, I'm in my corner right now. I'm gonna get something real quick. I'll be back. I'm gonna see just playing something for about a minute or two. Let me go get it.
I wish I did, Nora. I wish I did.
That's cool. We've never been in charge of anything before.
Yeah, it feels good knowing Dad thinks we're responsible enough to.
Okay. Bye.
She did a five-finger swipe.
It's like done.
Do it again, baby.
Just let's see, cute, isn't it?
This is bad.
Yeah.
But we can fix it. Chloe can teleport us to the bakery to get a new cake.
And I've got her
Good
little
idea.
collar.
Now we just have to get rid of the old cake.
Told you I'd do it again.
Okay.